we've been skipping a couple weeks because it's been like raining and everything and we keep missing them. So we are finally back. It is June 26th, it's Saturday, and we are racing today with the red Camaro and the silver Camaro. So I'm really excited that we're back, and it's really humid and hopefully it doesn't rain today. And Mom is going up for her first time run, so wish us luck. Mom's first time run.
Side out of Spalding, Illinois.
Yeah.
Performance clear on black.
Yeah. Just so she doesn't spin the tires.
Tower sign, the absolute beautiful Camaro.
Right after.
Pulse from Decatur.
Like on the same side.
Amber Village. Service centers and express car washes. The sponsor on the car, the sponsor here at the track.
Go, go, go. Go. Take your time. Yes. Dad, the time run pro 2.
It's on Gil Cook and a solo.
Oh, is this your dad?
Sportsman cars.
Dad,
Sportsman
time run
cars.
1.
We need
Pro.
sportsmen to 7 and 8.
Whoa.
Sportsman cars to lane 7 and 8.
Three, 2. I thought it said it's you have to watch the light. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go.
Jay Billy's been wheeling the dragster decided to get back to the Camaro. 93.
Dad, first time run of Super Pro. What was that?
Ryan Butler.
I'm gonna crack it. Ryan?
Tower sign, Jay Billingsley. At a Decatur.
What's that?
Good sign, I think that's
No clue. Oh, you know what it is.
Bowen Bill, Bentonville.
It sees what the
Sir Williams,
it sees
Charles,
what the wind
over there.
The wind speed is.
At a Tuscola, Illinois. And then Nova. Final call, street muscle, final call. To lanes 5 and 6. 5 and 6.
Yeah.
Billingsley 7:15.
So Mom and Dad both just ran their first time runs of Pro, and Dad ran his first time run of Super Pro. So I think we're gonna have another time run, and then it's first round. This is Dad, second time run.
It's that's Rob the Rain Man Fisher.
Yeah.
Out of Humboldt, Illinois. Shaper Racing Oil. Lucas Walker Hoosier Tires. Fisher Auto and Recycling. JT Muffler. The sponsors of the $1 Million Malibu. Pit side. Tower side, Jay Billingsley. Billingsley in the Camaro. At a Decatur. Billingsley Service Centers. And Billingsley Car Washes. The sponsor on the car.
It's a time run.
Last year I had to see Jay Billingsley at a race. How about this?
Mom.
Car
Second
being driven by
time run of
Cameron
Pro.
Stark at a new Tower side. Another one of the Billingsley entries. Another absolutely beautiful Camaro. This time Amber Billingsley behind the wheel. Halls from Decatur, Illinois.
Dad's second time run of Super Pro.
141. Inside is the Camaro Jay Billingsley at a Decatur, Illinois. Dollar sign, Ryan Svoboda. And also at a Decatur. Svoboda been fight and some issues with the truck. Jay Billingsley. Ryan 640.
So everybody just ran all their time runs. So everyone just ran all their time runs. Mom ran her, both of her time runs in Pro, and Dad ran both of his time runs in Super Pro and Pro. So now we're going to first round. Wish us luck. Hey, what? Julia, say hi.
Hi.
How's life?
Good. Just playing with some puppets.
Wow. How's life, Allison?
Great.
That's great. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Ruby, say hi. Hi. How's life? How's life?
Good. I don't know.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Wish us luck in first round. For first round.
And it's starting for the party. Pit side, that's Spider-Man, Ron Hill. Out of Villa Grove, 703 the dial in on the 75 Dodge Star. Tower side, Jay Billingsley. Billingsley out of Decatur, 719 the dial in on the Camaro. Both of these cars and both of these drivers are spot on. Be double O, take double O. That's the motto here. Ron Hill could paint 703 on the car, just as well as Jay Billingsley could paint 719 on the side of the car and run the number every time. Jay Billingsley drops it a 1 to the wrong side. How about this? He puts a 200 to the wrong side.
First round of Pro.
Tower side, Amber Billingsley out of Decatur, 613 the dial in. Pit side, Sarah the Dancing Machine Cassidy out of Luna, 896 the dial in. For the 2001 Z28 Camaro. Sarah paints it 004 red, Amber 30 up front. Amber Billingsley, 10.
Dad,
Carl
first round of
Giovanetti,
Super Pro.
006. Putting it 18 above. Pit sign, Jay Billingsley, out of Decatur.
It's just windy.
Tower sign, Chad Isley out of Charleston, 629 the dial in on the Camaro. Drove this Camaro to a Pro National Championship in around 2013, I do believe. Jay Billingsley, pit sign out of Decatur, 717 the dial in. Also in a Camaro. 16 to the 40 advantage, Billingsley. Oh my gosh, Jay Billingsley.
So Mom just won. So Mom just won first round of Pro, and Dad red lighted in first round of Pro, but he is gonna buy back. And then he just won first round of Super Pro, and we're doing really good. So now we're moving on to second round. So wish us luck.
T-ball.
First,
Race car.
second round of Pro for
737.
Dad.
Inside, Jay Billingsley out of Decatur, 716 to dial in on the Camaro.
So windy in the bus. Mom, second round of pro.
Audrey, your foot.
Oh,
Amber Billingsley, 612 for the F-body Camaro.
Pit side, Christy Ewing out of Humboldt, 757 to dial in on the Malibu.
so
JT
busy,
Muffler,
yeah.
Fisher Auto Recycling, Lucas Horner, Hoosier Tires, Schaefer Racing Oil, Team Live On, and I'm not sure how many more there are. Christy's out of Humboldt, 757 to dial in.
Woo!
4, 2, and 8.
So Mom just won second round of pro, and Dad just won second round of pro also, and he is going up I dare for second round of super pro. Hi. 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 Allison. Hi. Hi. Hey Julia. I will give it back if you walk over here. What are you doing? Put up. Dad, second round of super pro. Ruby, watch out.
King Rat, Bob Ball. 753, Jay Billingsley. And the Camaro, 716.
Julia, remember you have to Oh no. You can't do it now.
Somebody's perfect, somebody's 28.
Dad just won second round of Super Pro, and he got, of course, a perfect light with a 3. So he might get a bye to the third round, and we're all going third round. So wish us luck. Julia! Allison! Ruby! Okay. So it looks like we have a little storm coming our way.
5.5 minutes.
But they're both gonna go up for third round, and then I think they're gonna go straight in the trailer because it might start raining. So yeah, bye. Say bye, Allison. Bye. We got a storm. I don't know. Hi. Julia, are you in it? Yep. Where are you at? I don't know. Oh, there you are. Hey. We're just waiting. It's getting really dark. Right, Julia? Yes, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain, guys. It's dark. But this is Dad.
Winners to 1 and 2, buybacks to 3 and 4. Super Pro winners to 1 and 2, buybacks to 3 and 4. Legit ASAP. Super Pro winners to 1 and 2, buybacks to 3 and 4. Inside Ron Hill out of Illinois, 703 to dial in. Tower side Jay Billingsley. Billingsley's out of Decatur, 714 to dial in. Harold Camaro.
Oh, put up. Watch out.
Folks, if you can't tell, we're running a real rapid program. So when your class is called, report to the lane. Super Pro. Winners to 1 and 2, buybacks to 3 and 4. Ron Hill with control with 300s in his pocket. Bill for the win. To the 4 above.
Mom got a bye to fourth round. This is third round.
Donnie Davis.
So Mom got a
Donnie Davis, we need you. Donnie Davis, we need you.
Okay.
Donnie Davis, we need you ASAP. Donnie Davis.
Is your mom up? Julia! Hi! Yeah.
Amber Billingsley, Tower side, 611 to dial in. On the round number next is Amber Billingsley. How about Dead 8? Clicks are off, no indication of his performance.
Third round of Super Pro. He
Williams
also
goes
gets a
under
bye
33,000.
since he got a perfect bye.
Billingsley
Billingsley
BP.
used to be Billingsley BP.
No, 66.
Billingsley
66, yeah, there we go.
She'll stage it up 607 against Jim Tree. Tree underneath,
Okay.
764 for him. Out of Gotham City.
Where's Gotham City? 19, Amber Billingsley from the open button.
This
Tower
is
side,
Dad,
sorry,
third
pin
round
side,
of
Jay
Super Pro.
Billingsley. The Billingsley 66 entry.
I'm right here.
Dial in for Billingsley, 712. 712 to dial in for Billingsley. So not often does Billingsley spot, but he's going to here because Bob Paul, 744 to dial in for him. Has there been a car make more laps in the last 20 years down this racetrack than Bob Paul's pick him up truck?
Possibly Max Lane. Possibly Max Lane. Max Lane has made probably the most passes out of ever on the track. But let's just say this. We're 18 or 26, the King Rat in control. King Rat.
We lost. We got 5th place. Luckily.
Wait, okay, there you go.
We lost. Luckily, we got 5th place. So in a way, we're still in it.
So yeah.
We got 5th place.
Yeah, so Dad lost third round, well, that was a big draw, of Super Pro. So yeah, it's starting to like sprinkle here. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next week.